Is your car making strange noises? Maybe a squeak when braking or a knocking from the engine? These sounds are warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Small issues today can quickly become costly repairs tomorrow. Staying ahead is key to keeping your vehicle safe and reliable. At Dimas Automobile Service, we understand how unsettling those unusual sounds can be. Whether it's a clicking noise at startup or an odd rattle while driving, these signals mean your car needs expert attention. Ignoring them risks bigger problems and unexpected breakdowns. Our skilled technicians offer comprehensive services including engine repair, brake repair, oil leak repair, and more. We diagnose the root cause and fix it efficiently, saving you time and money. From engine tune-ups to battery replacements, we cover it all to keep your car running smoothly. The best part? We bring our expertise to you. Whether at home, work, or roadside, our on-site service gets your car checked and repaired without the hassle. Don't wait for a minor noise to turn into a major issue. Call or message Dimas Automobile Service today.